August 2025, one of us got her COS, her certificate of sponsorship, from an NHS trust in this UK. Besties, I have shared this story to some of you. On September 26th, 2025, her visa was approved to move to the UK on a health and care worker visa with the NHS code for care assistant 6131. And that brings me to the rumor why all of you have given up on your NHS dream, on your UK care visa dreams. How did we get here? The embassy is in today's video. I am going to show you all the evidence that the UK is still accepting you. The UK have opened their arms to accept you, to come here and do their care visa for them, their care job for them. I do tell many of you, these people need you more than you need them. The vacancy in the care sector is mind-blowing. Are you ready to do the application? To crown it all, I have decided to help you move to the UK with the care visa, and I will spill all the things in this video. So if you are a healthcare assistant, you have experience. You are a registered nurse, you want to move to the UK as a healthcare assistant. You are a medical doctor, you want to move to the UK as a healthcare assistant. You are an allied health professional, radiographer, lab scientist. You have experience in the healthcare sector and you want to start as a healthcare assistant to come in here, build your career till you get to your level. But since this video is for you, I want you to continue watching. And then many of you that are still living in denial, carrying out rumors, saying that the UK is no longer recruiting, saying what the government have never said, come close. I will also want you to watch this video because I am going to prove to you beyond reasonable doubt that the UK needs you more than you need them. So besties, without not wasting your time, let's dive into this video. I am so happy to assist as many of you that are interested to take your UK NHS job application to the next level. If this is you and you are really interested to move to the next level on your care visa, then come close, let us do this. I am happy and ready to mentor you till you learn something. Guys, my name is Adeze. In case you are seeing me for the first time, I am called Mama Positivity on the street, and on this channel, I create contents that will enable you to move abroad without breaking the bank. So guys, let's go into the details. So besties, as you can see on my screen, this is a typical certificate of sponsorship in the UK. For those of you that have not seen it, this is the document, this is what it looks like. So if we scroll down, you see that one of us here was assigned, date assigned was in August 2025, guys, and it's going to expire by November 2025. August, September, October, November, it have 3 months expiry date for every certificate of sponsorship that have been assigned. So this is to show you that the UK is still recruiting. Somebody will say, can we see the code? What is the job? Let's go to my screen. Let us show you. I am here for you. Let's do this. So guys, as you can see on my screen, it says migrant employment. That's the job title, job type, and the summary of description. You will see senior healthcare assistant and 6131. 6131 is the code the NHS gives to healthcare assistants, guys, nursing assistants, maternity support workers. We will go to the government site and I'm going to show you the details of 6131. This was her code. This COS was issued in August of 2025. So yeah, I have made it more clear here. Look at it. Senior healthcare assistant, as you can see on my screen, 6131, nursing auxiliaries and assistants, band 3 and equivalent. This is a band 3 role. Anyways, guys, this is a proof that this is real and it is still happening. So guys, this is a proof that this is real and the NHS, the UK is still hiring for care assistants from outside the UK. You saw what they wrote there, migrants employment. Guys, after watching this video and you are still in denial, you are still, letting negativity in between your ways to entering the UK, to getting to your destination, then I don't know what you want. Maybe we need to pray for you. So guys, let's go and see the evidence of her visa approval and the evidence of her appointment in Abuja, Nigeria. Because many people will say, Mama P, are you sure this person is not in the UK? Are you sure the red list Are you sure this one? I have taken my time to explain the red list to you guys. I have taken my time to prove to you people to focus on your job search. So guys, let's go and see the evidence. Let's go to my screen again. I am well prepared for you all today. All right, so this was when she sent me this over our chat section, and you can see nationality. You can see that this visa, she was approved for a skilled worker migrant health and care visa that started on October 2025, and it will end till the end date. I don't want to share a lot of her information for her privacy. So guys, look at that. She said, "Bestie, oh, God has done it." Guys, this made my day. And yes, for those of you that will still say, Mama P, are you sure? We say, hey, Mama P, are you sure this visa, this person did this visa from Nigeria? Here we go. This is Abuja VAC. This is the VFS in Abuja. And remember, I told you she went for her biometric on the 22nd of September 2025. So this was her appointment details. So if you have seen all these things and you are still living in denial, maybe we call for prayer for you. Besties, haven't shown you all the evidences related to this testimony, related to this visa. Let's go to the immigration salary list and the skilled worker eligibility. Let's see what the government is saying about the care visa, because I want you guys to be really empowered and know the truth. The earlier you know what is obtainable. Now, this is evidence that UK is recruiting. Any other thing you are hearing, anything, block your ears. Stay away from negativity. If you want to move abroad, stay away from negativity. I have said this thing several times. The lady that introduced me to UK care visa is still in Qatar. What happened? Along the line, she started hearing negative news. Family members in UK started telling her, no, UK is not good to come to. She still regrets it till today. The lady, she still regrets it. I did not dwell on negativity. When she told me, I picked it up and focused on my search, and here I am today in the UK. Tomorrow, the 1st of October 2025, I will be 3 years in the UK. Positivity, positive energy. When you hear information, take advantage of it and get started. Stay away from negativity. Anywhere you are seeing bad news, stay away. It will not cost you anything to go to the government website and read what the government has said. Relax and read. Know who is affected. Know who is not affected. Let us go to my screen. Let's see what the government have in stock for you. Guys, as you can boldly see on my screen, this document was updated on the 22nd of July 2025. This is the last update on this case. Skilled worker visa, eligible occupations and code. These are the occupations that are eligible for skilled worker visa in the UK. So now, if you come here, let's look at it. Eligible for skilled worker as higher skilled, medium skilled, or ineligible. So it's either you are higher skilled, medium skilled, or ineligible. So guys, all the ones that are ineligible means that you can no longer come to the UK on this visa. If you see medium skilled, it means that yes, you don't need much requirement. If you see higher skilled, it means that you need higher requirement. So let's go to the code for NHS and even care workers. Yeah, I am scrolling to the code that concerns us, which is the 6131 code. Guys, here we go. Look at it here. Look at it here. See my screen. 6131. That is the code this lady have gotten from the NHS. This is the code the NHS is giving to you. It says auxiliary nursing and assistants, blood donors and carers and phlebotomists, you are given this code. First aid trainers, you are given this code. Maternity care assistants, you are given this code. Occupational therapy assistants, you are given this code. Physiotherapy assistants, radiography assistants, speech and language therapy assistants, sterilized service assistants, nursing auxiliaries and assistants, that is healthcare assistants, that is nursing assistant with the NHS, that's the name they give it. So guys, if you fall under any of this, you are eligible for my mentorship. Now look at it, it is medium skilled. If you go up here, you see that this particular job now, 6121, is ineligible. So far it is still medium skilled, means that you are still eligible to move to the UK. Now, let us go to the one for care workers. Look at it, 6135, care workers and carers, community support workers, home care workers, residential care workers, carers not express. Medium skills subject to listed conditions. There are conditions to this visa, which I will analyze in another visa. This is the code for those of you that wants to work in private sector, not the NHS. So where do you people get the rumor that the NHS is no longer accepting care assistants? Where did you get the rumor? I don't understand, because this is the government website. The next one, which is 6136 for senior care workers in the private sector, is still medium skilled. So where are you people getting the rumor? I am not getting it. Now, let me take you to the immigration salary list. This is the current official UK immigration skilled worker list. Where are you people getting these rumors from? I don't get it. Now, let's go to the other list that has to do with the salary threshold. Besties, wake up. Oh. I don't understand you people. Oh. Ha. Okay. Oh. Keep doubting. Now, take a look at my screen. Can you see the next list that says skilled worker visa immigration salary list? Now, let's go and review this list. This is the standard rate, and this is the lower rate you can be paid. So if you keep coming up, look at it. Let's start with the 6131 first. Look at the 6131, nursing auxiliaries and assistants. All job for skilled worker purposes. Skilled worker purposes. SOC 2022 occupation code 6131 applies to roles in environment where registered nurses roles also exist. That is your assisting registered nurses. Now look at it. The salary is 25,000. Look at it. Both the standard rate and the higher rate is, and the lower rate is 25,000. Now, if you come to the care home, the 6135, right, it will say the lower rate is 25,000 still, and the standard rate is now this amount, which is making some employers to think twice for the private sector. But that means the NHS is your surest bet. You can still try the private sector because they can still pay you 25,000. That is the same for senior care workers, as you can see on my screen. Now, let's go to the NHS website so that you see that these NHS employers have increased their salary threshold to 26,000, guys. Let's go and see this. Now, besties, I will take you to the official government website of the NHS. Before now, if you have been going through this NHS visa with me, you know that the highest salary they have been paid is 23,000. Guys, since the government said you can only pay 25,000, they have increased their salary threshold to 26,000 for NHS trusts outside London. Those in London are paying as high as 30,000. This lady that got her job, her salary is over 30,000. Healthcare assistant. So let's go and find out this before I tell you how I'm going to assist you to get started. Guys, I have put in nursing assistants, which is the same thing as healthcare assistants. Any code, there are different keywords. We have 8,067 jobs. Now, if you come here, guys, let's have a look. If you come here, Hull University Teaching Hospital NHS Trust, you can see that the salary is now what? 26,598. This is a permanent job. Guys, if you come again, Northumbria Healthcare NHS Foundation Trust, you can see that the salary is also 26,598. Permanent job. Guys, this is to tell you that they have increased their threshold to meet what the government is looking for. Now, if you come here and put your location to London, look at it. For a trust in London, this said healthcare assistants, Central London Community Health Trust. Guys, you can see their salary is up to what? 31,000 if you are going for locations in London. So guys, after I have posted this lady's testimony on YouTube, I have posted it on Instagram, everywhere. A lot of people reached out to me to say, Mama P, I am interested in this NHS. I don't think I'm getting the supporting statement right. I think I need a one-on-one guide. I think I need someone to mentor me. I think I need someone to proofread these things, help me make sure I'm doing the right thing, help me do the application right. Guys, with that regard, I have decided to help few people. The slots are few. Look, I don't need crowd. I am starting a mentorship for strictly NHS job applications. A one-on-one mentorship. This is not a group. I am not going to do anything with group again because I notice whenever there is a group, many of you come here, you are relaxed, you don't follow up. When the time for class reaches there, many people will not attend. When you send them the recorded video, they will not look at it. No. I want people that are serious only. People that have experience If you don't have experience, do not come to me. I need people that knows what they are doing, that needs someone to mentor them. Guys, this mentorship is one-on-one. If you book today, you start today. Any day you come, you start. Nothing like group or this is starting this date. No. How is it going to work? Once you book the mentorship, I will drop the link in the description box and I will pin it in the comment section. Once you book for the mentorship, besties, I will be able to, once you book, you will be directed to a link to book a one-on-one section. During the one-on-one section, I'm going to assess you, your eligibility, how you are going to write your supporting statement for me, tell you what and what to write based on your background. Then I will give you the specified WhatsApp number for our communication. I have gotten a WhatsApp, a phone number for this project. No other communication is on that WhatsApp. The only people on that WhatsApp is people for this opportunity. I will share the number with you. You will go and write your supporting statement. I will add you, save your number. When you are done, you send it to me. I will read it and edit it. Why are you going to write your supporting statement yourself? Because you are going to tell your story. Your story and my story is not the same thing. Your story is what sells you, which I will teach you during the one-on-one section what to do. You need to be specified according to your person. That is why it is called person specification. Not two people are the same. So when you have written it according to you, I will modify it, I will edit it, then we'll call for another meeting. During the second meeting, two of us will sit down and do your application. I will apply for 3 jobs for you with the NHS. We are going to create a new account for you. If you have an existing account, we are starting afresh. Maybe there are some mistakes you have made in the application that is affecting you. I will use my 2 hands and do application for you in your presence. When we do 1 job, 2 jobs, 3 jobs, not with the same supporting statement, it will be modified to suit the job, which I will do with the story you have given me already. Then you have seen how it is done. The next thing you will now be doing is, we are going to create an email alert. Once there is a job, you will now go and submit application, which we will both keep monitoring and keep checking when you have interview. So this is how this mentorship is going to work. I am there with you one-on-one. I will hold your hands personally. So that is why I said I need people with experience. Why? It is one thing to get a job. It is another thing to pass the interview. If you don't have experience in the care sector, you cannot pass NHS interview. But still, it is not magic. And I will not sit down here and lie to you or promise you what I know will not work. I won't do that. So please, if you have experience, come and book our one-on-one mentorship. And this is where I am going to help you. So if you're interested, the link will be in the comment section. The link will be in the description box, besties. This will bring us to the end of today's video. Go and sleep over this. Go and meditate over this and see how you are going to land in the UK NHS in 2025. So, besties, I will see you guys in our next one. For now, bye, besties. Bye.